Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you want to take your laundry into another level, this Downey perfume softener for fabrics is just great. I use this every time that I go and do laundry. I put what, one or two little scoops of this, and it just smells awesome. Whenever it takes out, it has days and days of this perfume. My shirts, my t-shirts, my even my pillow. The other day I washed my pillow and I put a little bit of this, and it's just, man, it felt great. It felt, this is one of the best scents that I had in a while. Whenever I go to sleep, it feels that sensation that is soothing. You feel comfortable, and at the same time, it's great because it's not going to be leaving your clothes with too many wrinkles, which means you would have to iron less, and at the same time, you smell awesome. So if you're looking for a great opportunity for your clothes to be smelling great, having less wrinkles, and at the same time, it's going to be a long-lasting smell, this Downey does a great job. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.